Hello guys, how are you? And this is Guruji-Online. Today I have brought you a couple of problems regarding wave optics. These problems have come in the JEE Advanced. First problem is before you. I will read this problem for you and let us then solve it. Figure shows an irregular block of material of refractive index root 2. A ray of light strikes the face AB as shown in the figure. After refraction, it is incident on a spherical surface CD of radius of curvature 0.4 meter and enters a medium of refractive index 1.514 to beat PQ at E. This is E. Find the distance OE up to 2 places of decimal. So we have to find this distance basically OE. In this figure, if we see a ray of light is incident at 45 degree and now it is being refracted from face AB and then it is falling on this spherical surface CD whose radius of curvature is given. So first of all, let us see what happens to the incident ray when it falls on the face AB. It will get refracted and from this formula, that is mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin R, as you know Snell's law. We can find out what is angle R. Angle R is basically coming out as 30 degree. Now 30 degree means this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. Correct? That means, and this is 30 degree, that means this line, suppose if we name it as A, B, C, or you can name it as O dash. The O dash O is basically parallel to this. Now, this parallel ray is falling on this spherical surface. Naturally, after refraction, it will be converging on the focus like this. So basically, this is nothing but OE. OE is nothing but the focal point or focus of this spherical surface. Now, this refraction from the spherical surface we can solve like this: mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equal to this thing, and if we put the proper values, that is mu2 is given as 1.514, that is this mu, here mu is root 2, so mu2 is given 1.5 root 2. U, since the ray is parallel, which is falling on a spherical surface, then your U we can take it as infinity. So this becomes 0 and ultimately OE comes at 6.06 meter, and this is what is the solution of this. So OE comes as 6.06. It is meter, I think. Meter, of course. So all the figures are given in meter. Correct? So this is how we can find out, or we can solve this